Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today, on Sunday. Yeah, it's actually Sunday because Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, and I decided to continue with the newspaper of Saturday. Yes, Saturday, April the 24th, 2021. And we have four Sudokus or four puzzles left for today on Sunday. Sudoku with 1 star. With 2 stars are left. Tectonic with 1 star left. And a binary puzzle number 2. Yes, those four puzzles I will solve today on Sunday. So the first one, a Sudoku with 1 star, will be number 28. No, it's not 28. 26. 2690. 2690. Let me correct this correctly. 2690. Alright. 2690. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one I have already counted 27 printed digits. Alright. Correct me if I'm wrong, but the 1 star has always 27 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level because the 2 stars has 26, 3 stars has 25, and the 4 stars has 24 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Which number shall I pick? How about how about the number? Yeah, which number shall I pick? Which number shall I pick? How about the 5 in the last row, the 5 in the row above? So in that row, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 5. Wow, let me see which number. How about the 2 in this third row, 2 in the second row? So in the first row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see there 2, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between, the row between, wow, Gesundheit. What a sneeze. Need to sneeze. Apologies. Alright, so we have a 2 in this row. 2 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 2. Alright. Alright. Then. How about 6, 7? How about, yeah. 6, 7, 8 and 1. Let me think. Don't think too long. We have a 9 in this row. 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column. 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 9 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 9. How about 3, 4, and the 3. Two numbers left in this last column for the numbers 3 and 6. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 3 and 4, okay. These two numbers in this big square are reserved for the numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. So we have a 4 in the last column, 4 in one of those two boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Two numbers left in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in one of those two boxes in this column. So no 3 in that box. One box left for the 3 should be there. One number left in this big square for the number 1. One number left in this column for the number 1. Alright. These two boxes in this row are reserved for the numbers 1 and 8. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then 3 and 7 in this row. 7 in the last row, so the row between. The only place for the 7 should be there. One number left in this row for the number 3. One number left in this big square for the number 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 3, 4, 6. 3, 4, 6. And look, we have a 3 and a 6 here in this first column. So no 3 and a 6 in this box. The 3 and a 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. One number left in this big square for the number 4. Alright. So 4, 4. Alright. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is the number 6. We see here 6, so no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. Then we need to wait. 5, 5. Yeah. 1, 1. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 3, and the 7. 137, 137, and look, we have a 1 and a 7 already here in the first row, so no 1 and a 7 in this box. The 1 and the 7 goes in those two boxes. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 digit left in this column for the number 3. Alright. Then. 9. Okay. 7 and 8. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 7 should be there. 1 digit left in this column for the number 8. 1 digit left in this big square for the number 8. Then the 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9. Let me mark those two boxes. 9 and the 4, 9 and the 4. Okay. So we have 3 missing numbers in the third row. The 9 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 3, 4, 9, 4, 9, 3. Alright, we see here the 4 and the 3. So no 4 and 3 in this box. The 4 and the 3 goes in those two boxes. So 1 digit left should be the 9. The 4 and the 3. We have a 3 here in this big square. So no 3 here. The 3 should be there. And the 4 goes here. 1 digit left in this big square for the number 4. 1 digit left in this big square for the number 9. Two missing numbers in the first row for the numbers 8 and 4. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 4 goes there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 8. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 1. All right. Then. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 7 and 3. We have a 7 here, no 7, no, we have a 3 here. 7 and the 6 are missing. Yeah, 7 and a 6. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 7. Now we have a 6 there. So this box can't be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 3. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 5, number 6. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 number left in the first column for the number 5, and the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 4 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. All right, great. Sudoku with 1 star, and I like this one. Yes. So it's really a 1 star, because 1 star I need 10 to 40 minutes to solve. So I'm very pleased with the time. I like like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second one. Sudoku with 2 stars. Prepare for that one. See you later. Bye bye for now.